BC. সো আমি পঢ়িলোঁ যে অশোক ৰজাৰ মৃত্যুৰ পিছত খুব বাকী পিছৰ ৰজাবোৰ খুব উইক আছিলে আৰু তাৰ সেইটো সময়তে নেক্সট ডাইনেষ্টি কোনটো আহিলে সুঙ্গা ডাইনেষ্টি ঠিক আছে দ্য পোষ্ট মৰিয়ান পিৰিয়ড উইটনেছড দ্য ইমাৰ্জেঞ্চ অফ স্মল ইণ্ডিজিনিয়াছ এণ্ড ফৰেইন কিংডমছ হুইচ লেড টু এ পিৰিয়ড to be designated as the age of small kingdoms. The provinces during this period started declaring their independence. In eastern India, central India and Deccan, the Mauryans, which were confined to the Gangetic Valley, were succeeded by a number of native rulers, namely Sungas, Kanvas and Satavahanas. Maurya সকলৰ পিছত কোন আহিলে Sungas, Kanvas আৰু Satavahanas. Northwest India slipped out of control of the Mauryas due to a series of foreign invasion from Central Asia, which led to intimate and widespread contacts between Central Asia and India. So next whole Sunga. They ruled from 185 BC to 73 BC. The immediate heirs of the Mauryan Empire were the Sungas, a Brahmin family who were officials under the Mauryas. ঠিক আছে সুঙ্গা কোনে ফাউণ্ড কৰিছিলে পুষ্পামিত্ৰ সুঙ্গা পুষ্পামিত্ৰ সুঙ্গা was the founder of the Sunga dynasty. So Harsha Charitra records that Pushpamitra, who was a general of Mauryan king Brihadartha was the last Mauryan king and Pushpamitra Sunga assassinated Brihadartha and usurped the throne. ঠিক আছে বৃহদাৰ্থক হত্যা কৰি তেওঁ নিজৰ ৰজা হৈছিলে আৰু সুঙ্গা ডাইনেষ্টি স্থাপন কৰিছিলে কনকুৱেষ্টছ কি কৰিছিলে পুষ্যমিত্ৰ সুঙ্গা fought numerous wars and conquered the Vidarbha region in the northern Deccan. ঠিক আছে he also led a campaign against Kharavela of Kalinga who invaded North India. All these conquests led to the rise of Sunga dominions, which enabled them to capture the entire Gangetic Valley and extended the kingdom up to river Narmada. The cities of Pataliputra, Ayodhya and Vidisha were included in the Sunga kingdom. According to Divya Dana and Taranath's account, the kingdom included Jalandhar and Sialkot in Punjab. Bactrian invasion hetu সময়ত Bactrian Greeks সকলে আক্ৰমণ কৰিছিলে. Protection against the invasion of Bactrian Greeks from northwest was the most important challenge to Sunga rule. ঠিক আছে the Bactrian Greeks either under Demetrius or Menander advanced up to Pataliputra, but the invasion was repulsed by Vasumitra, son of Agnimitra, grandson of Pushpamitra. ঠিক আছে সো পুষ্পামিত্ৰ ব্ৰাহ্মণ আছিলে আৰু তেওঁৰ সময়ত ব্ৰাহ্মণিজম আকৌ ৰাইজ কৰিছিলে ভাৰতত ঠিক আছে সো পুষ্পামিত্ৰ সুঙ্গাৰ সাকসেসৰ কোন আছিলে পুষ্পামিত্ৰ সুঙ্গাৰ সাকসেসৰ he was succeeded by his son Agnimitra. পুষ্পামিত্ৰ সুঙ্গাৰ পিছত অগ্নিমিত্ৰ ৰজা হৈছিলে who was succeeded by his son Vasumitra. ঠিক আছে there were 7 successors of Vasumitra. so last ৰজা কোন আছিলে Sunga dynasty Devabhuti was the last Sunga ruler who was assassinated by his minister Vasudev Kanva minister asile Deva Bhutir aru teo হত্যা কৰি নিজে ৰজা হৈছিলে আৰু কানৱা ডাইনেষ্টি স্থাপন কৰিছিলে ঠিক আছে কানৱা ডাইনেষ্টি contribution of Sungas or বিষয়ে অকমান চাই লওক The greatest political contribution of the Sungas was to check the Greek invasion, which was successfully done. Greek সকলে যি আক্ৰমণ কৰিছিলে হেতু successfully ৰখাইছিলে Sunga সকলে cultural dominion. Sunga revived Brahmanism and horse sacrifices Ashwamedha Yajna. Sungas promoted the growth of Sanskrit language. Sanskrit scholar Patanjali composed his celebrated work Mahabhasya under the royal patronage of Sunga kings. The law book of Manu, the Manusmriti and Ashwaghoshas বুদ্ধ চৰিত্ৰ were both compiled during this period. বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়, মই আণ্ডাৰলাইন কৰি দিছোঁ, মনত ৰাখিব। পতঞ্জলীৰ বুক, মানুস্মৃতি আৰু অশ্বঘোষৰ বুদ্ধ চৰিত্ৰ গোটেইকেইখন বুক গোটেইকেইখন বুক কাৰ সময়ত লিখা হৈছিলে? শুঙ্গা ডাইনেষ্টিৰ সময়ত, ঠিক আছে। The Buddhist art of Maurya, that is the Buddhist monuments at Sanchi and Bharuch, were renovated during the time of Shungas. So Shunga সকলৰ পিছত কোন হ'ল? মই ক'লোৱে বাসুদেৱ কানৱাই লাষ্ট শুঙ্গা ডাইনেষ্টিৰ ৰজা দেৱভূতিক হত্যা কৰিলে আৰু কানৱা ডাইনেষ্টি স্থাপন কৰিলে। এজ পাৰ হৰ্ষ চৰিত্ৰ, Devabhuti, the last Shunga ruler, was assassinated by his Brahmin minister Vasudev Kanva, who became the founder of the Kanva dynasty. ঠিক আছে, ব্ৰাহ্মীণ মিনিষ্টাৰ আছিলে কানভা, তেওঁ কানভা ডাইনেষ্টি স্থাপন কৰিলে। পৌৰাণিক এভিডেন্সেছ ৰেকৰ্ডছ ডেট 4 rulers of the Kanva dynasty, namely Vasudev, Bhumimitra, Narayana and Susarman, ruled over Magadh for 45 years. So কানভা সকলে বেছি বছৰ ৰাজত্ব কৰা নাছিলে, 45 বছৰ ৰাজত্ব কৰিছিলে। 4জন ৰজা আছিলে, বাসুদেৱ, ভূমিমিত্ৰ, নাৰায়ণ আৰু সুসাৰমান। The Kanva kingdom was limited to Pataliputra. Puranas also record that the Satavahanas succeeded the Kanvas by bringing an end by 28 BC. ঠিক আছে। Post Kanvas, the history of Magadh took a pause until the rise of Gupta Empire. So next ahile Satavahanas in the Deccan. The Satavahanas established their independent rule after the decline of the Mauryas. ঠিক আছে। Satavahanas ruled at Deccan, which is the region located between North and South India, which acted as the bridge kingdom. That is, Satavahanas acted as a link or bridge between the two halves of India. So North India আৰু South India মাজত ব্ৰিজৰ কাম কৰিছিলে Satavahana কিংডমে। ঠিক আছে। So Satavahana কিংডমৰ বিষয়ে আমি অলপ চাওঁ, কোন কোন ৰজা আছিলে। Though there are debates among scholars regarding the exact origin of Satavahanas, still the accepted view is that 30 Satavahana Andhra kings ruled for around 456 years. ঠিক আছে। Shimukha 231 ৰ পৰা 208 BC লৈ ৰাজত্ব কৰিছিলে। Shimukha, he was the founder of Satavahana dynasty. ঠিক আছে, কোন আছিলে Satavahana ডাইনেষ্টিৰ ফাউণ্ডাৰ? Shimukha. নেক্সট হ'ল Krishna succeeded Shimukha. As per Nasik inscriptions, he extended the kingdom up to Nasik in the west. Krishna next asile. তাৰপিছত আহিলে Satakarni I. He was the third king. He conquered western Malwa and Berar. He also performed Ashwamedha sacrifices. ঠিক আছে, Shimukha, Krishna, Satakarni I. তাৰপিছত Hala. He was the 17th king of the Satavahana dynasty. He reigned for a period of 5 years. He is famous for compiling the collection of 700 poems known as Gatha Saptasati, also called Sattasai in Maharashtra Prakrit dialect. ঠিক আছিলে। তাৰপিছত আহিলে Saka Satavahana conflict. The powerful Sakas in western India came into a prolonged conflict since 100 BC to control the premier fort such as Broch, Kalyan and Sapora with the Satavahanas. So Saka আৰু Satavahana সকলৰ মাজত যুদ্ধ হৈছিলে এইটো লৈ যে প্ৰেমিয়াৰ পৰ্টছ, খুব ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট পৰ্টছ মানে বন্দৰগাহ ব্ৰোচ, কল্যাণ আৰু চাপৰা কোনে কণ্ট্ৰল কৰিব সেইটো লৈ যুদ্ধ হৈছিলে। ঠিক আছে। ট্ৰেড এক্টিভিটি refers to the trade activity of western India with the Red Sea ports which were grabbed by the western Kshatrapa kings. Due to the prolonged conflicts, the Satavahanas at that time were forced to retreat and limit their activities to the original Andhra Sea only. সো সাকা ৰজাসকলে সাতবাহনসকলক ঠেলি পঠাইছিলে আন্ধ্ৰা চিলৈ সো নেক্সট আহিলে গৌতমীপুত্ৰ সাতকাৰ্ণী ঠিক আছে 75 AD CE to 106 AD Gautamiputra Satakarni was the greatest ruler of the Satavahana dynasty. His achievements were recorded in the Nasik inscription by his mother Gautami Balasari. Gautamiputra Satakarni আটাইতকৈ গ্ৰেটেষ্ট ৰুলাৰ আছিলে সাতবাহনা ডাইনেষ্টিৰ ঠিক আছে he was a great conqueror who captured the whole of Deccan and expanded his empire. His victory over Nagapana, the ruler of Malwa, was remarkable. ঠিক আছে Gautamiputra Satakarni was a great administrator. He patronized Vedic religion and has been described as Agamanilya, মানে the abode of the Vedas, a pious and orthodox Brahmin. তেওঁ ব্ৰাহ্মণ আছিলে তাৰ পাছত কেইজনমান আৰু আনইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ৰজা হ'ল Vasishthiputra Pulavami. Gautamiputra Satakarni was succeeded by his son Vasishthiputra Pulavami. He ruled for a brief period of 24 years from 106 CE to 130. He extended the Satavahana power up to the mouth of the Krishna river. He issued coins on which the image of ships was inscribed. ঠিক আছে জাহাজ অংকিত মুদ্ৰা তেওঁ ইস্যু কৰিছিলে they revealed the naval power of maritime trade of the Satavahanas. খুব strong naval power আছিলে সাতবাহনসকলৰ আৰু হেতুৱে বুজাইছিলে তেওঁলোকৰ কইনবিলাকত জাহাজৰ ইনস্ক্ৰিপশ্যন ঠিক আছে নেক্সট হ'ল Yajnashri Satakarni. The last great ruler of the Satavahanas was Yajnashri Satakarni. He re-established his authority over a greater part of western Deccan and central India. He is well known for successfully ousting the Shakas from western India and Narmada Valley. Nagarjuna, the exponent of Madhyamika doctrine of Buddhist philosophy, adorned his court. ঠিক আছে নাগাৰ্জুনা আছিলে তেওঁৰ কোৰ্টত he wrote various scholarly works such as Pragna Paramitta Shastra Madhyamika Shastra এইবোৰ লিখিছিলে তেওঁ ঠিক আছে এতিয়া আমি অকমান ইণ্ডো গ্ৰীক ঠিক আছে দ্য ফৰেন ৰুলিং ডাইনেষ্টিজৰ বিষয়ে পঢ়িম So Indo-Greek dynasty. The Greek expansion in India was definitely the work of Demetrius. Demetrius expand কৰিছিলে ঠিক আছে গ্ৰীক সকলৰ ৰাজ্য ভাৰতলৈ Demetrius I was the Greek conqueror after Alexander the Great who carried Greek arms into the interior of India. Demetrius crossed the Hindu Kush mountain with a huge army and conquered the regions of Punjab and Sindh. ঠিক আছে The Greeks failed to establish united rule in India in later course of time. Next important Raja Indo-Greek সকলৰ হ'ল Menander. He was known as Milinda who ruled for a long time from his capital Shakala মানে Sialkot present day Sialkot. His kingdom extended from Kabul to Mathura. ঠিক আছে Nagasena converted him to Buddhism. The Milanda Fano text records Menander's questions and Nagasena's answer. Nagasena te convert কৰিছিলে বুদ্ধিজিমলৈ ঠিক আছে নেক্সট আহিলে Heliodorus was deputed to the court of Kashiputra Bhagabhadra as his ambassador. It is stated in one of the inscriptions that inscribed in the Garuda column in Besnagar pillar was erected in honor of Vasudeva, thus hinting at the earliest reference to the existence of Vaishnavism in ancient India, ঠিক আছে? Therefore, Heliodorus was the first foreigner to embrace Vaishnavism. Vaishnavism embrace কৰা প্ৰথমজন foreigner আছিলে Heliodorus. ঠিক আছে? Next হ'ল the Parthians defeated Hermias, signaled the end of Greek rule in Bactria and south of Hindu Kush. Next আহিলে Parthians. The Pahlavas or the Parthians were originally from Iran. Shaka Pahlavas. The Parthians lived for some time with the Scythians, which led to the assimilation of many characteristics of both. In various texts, they were together referred to as the Shaka Pahlavas. In comparison with the Greeks and the Shaka Pahlavas occupied some small parts of northwest India in the 1st century. ঠিক আছে, so Shaka Pahlavas সকলৰ আটাইতকৈ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ৰজাজনৰ নাম হ'ল Gondophares. The greatest Indo-Parthian ruler was Gondophares, who ruled from 19 to 45 CE. On all his coins, Gondophares appears to be a bearded middle-aged man. During the reign of Gondophares, Sir Saint Thomas the Apostle visited India to propagate Christianity, ঠিক আছে, and led to the conversion of Gondophares into Christianity. So Saint Thomas Gondopharesৰ সময়তে ভাৰতলৈ আহিছিলে আৰু Gondopharesক খ্ৰীষ্টিয়ানিটিলৈ কনভাৰ্ট কৰিছিলে. The Parthian Empire was divided into petty principalities after the death of Gondophares. ঠিক আছে, Parthian সকলৰ পিছত কোন আহিলে? Kushan. The Kushans succeeded the Parthians by ultimately ousting them from northwestern India. So next আহিলে Kushans. ঠিক আছে, Kushans succeeded the Parthians. They belong to a branch of the great Yuchi tribe from Central Asia. ঠিক আছে, Central Asia পৰা আহিছিলে Kushan সকল. They first occupied Bactria, where they displaced the Shakas. After this, they gradually moved to Kabul Valley and occupied the Gandhara region by crossing the Hindu Kush. ঠিক আছে, প্ৰথম তেওঁলোকে বেক্ট্ৰিয়াত সোমাই বেক্ট্ৰিয়া কেপচাৰ কৰিলে, শাকাসকলক আঁতৰালে. তাৰপিছত তেওঁ গ্ৰেজুৱেলি কাবুল হৈ গান্ধাৰ ৰিজিয়নলৈ আহিলে. তাতে হিন্দু কুশ মাউণ্টেইন ক্ৰছ কৰি তেওঁ গ্ৰীক আৰু পাৰ্থিয়ানসকলক ৰিপ্লেচ কৰিলে কুশানসকলে. ঠিক আছে, কাটপেচেছ কুজালা কাটপেচেছ অৰ কাটপেচেছ 1 was the founder of Kushan dynasty. ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়, মনত ৰাখিব. His kingdom extended from the frontiers of Persia to the Indus and controlled both the Kabul and Gandhar region. ঠিক আছে, so এয়া আছিলে কুশানসকলৰ এম্পায়াৰ. ঠিক আছে, so এয়া হ'ল হিন্দুকুশ মাউণ্টেইনছ, এয়া গান্ধাৰ, এয়া হ'ল কুশান এম্পায়াৰ. ঠিক আছে, so এয়া সাতবাহানা এম্পায়াৰ. so ইমানখিনি এৰিয়া কুশানসকলে ৰাজত্ব কৰিছিলে. নেক্সট ৰজা কোন আছিলে? কাটপেচেছ 2. Vima Katpeshes or Katpeshes II conquered the whole of northwestern India as far as Mathura and issued gold coins with the title like Lord of the whole world. ঠিক আছে, মাথুৰালৈকে কেপচাৰ কৰিছিলে হুইমা কাটপেচেছে. Katpeshes II converted to Shaiva by adopting Shaivism and proclaimed himself as Maheshwara. Important হয়, এইটো সুধিব পাৰে যে মহেশ্বৰা বুলি কোনজন কুশান ৰজাই নিজকে কৈছিলে. সেইজন হ'ব ভীমা কাটপেচা নাইবা কাটপেচেছ 2. ঠিক আছে, the abundance of gold and copper coins issued by Katpeshes II indicated the prosperity of the Kushan Empire. খুব ৰিচ আছিলে কুশান এম্পায়াৰ, খুব ধনী আছিলে. He had good links with both Rome and China. Extensive trade in silk, gems, spices and other articles was carried on between India and the Roman Empire as well as with China. ঠিক আছে, his time was remarkable for bringing down the influence of the Shakas and the Parthians. এতিয়া আহিলে কনিষ্ক কনিষ্ক was the most important Kushan ruler ঠিক আছে so Kanishk is usually regarded as the successor of Bhima Kadphises Kanishk is regarded as the greatest king of his dynasty ঠিক আছে the most important ruler of Kushan dynasty was Kanishk etu টাইপিং এৰৰ আছে এটো কুশান নহয় এটো কনিষ্ক হ'ব ঠিক আছে he founded the Saka era which starts from 78 CE very important হয় সুধিব পাৰে who started the Saka era Kanishk his empire initially included Afghanistan Gandhara Sindh Punjab later he occupied Rajputana Malwa ঠিক আছে Saurashtra the Siyuki and Raja Tarangini board records Kanishk conquered Kashmir Raja Tarangini kune লিখিছিলে কালহানা হিউয়েন সাঙে লিখিছে সিইউকি ঠিক আছে he erected numerous monuments in Kashmir and also founded a town there named Kanishkpura the extensive Kanishk empire comprised of Gandhar in the west to Benares in the east from Kashmir in the north to Malwa in the south খুব ডাঙৰ ৰাজ্য আছিল কনিষ্কৰ he patronized Buddhist scholars like Ashwagosha Vasumitra and Nagarjuna important hoy he sent various Buddhist missionaries to Tibet China Japan and Central Asia Tibet China Japan লৈ missionary পঠাইছিল তেও he converted the fourth Buddhist council convened the fourth Buddhist council under the chairmanship of Vasumitra and Ashwagosha as vice president at Kundanavana in Kashmir ঠিক আছে fourth Buddhist council কোনে কৰিছিলে first second third ৰ বিষয়ে মই কৈছো আগতে fourth Buddhist council কনিষ্কে কৰিছিলে the council resulted in the formation of both Hinayan and Mahayana sects of Buddhism ঠিক আছে literature during Kanishka's reign Sanskrit was promoted during Kanishka's reign Ashwagosha wrote Buddha Charitra Nagarjuna styled as Indian Einstein was the other great scholar philosopher and also a scientist who enunciated the theory of relativity in Madhyamika Sutra ঠিক আছে সো আইনষ্টাইনৰ যোনটো থিওৰি অফ ৰিলেটিভিটি ডিসকভাৰ কৰা বুলি কয় হেতু নাগাৰ্জুনাই মধ্যমিকা সূত্ৰত আগতে লিখি থৈ গৈছে ইমান বছৰ হাজাৰ বছৰ আগতে লিখি থৈ গৈছে ঠিক আছে Vasumitra patronized by Kanishk wrote Mahavibhasa Satra so এই তিনজন খুব ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় Vasumitra Nagarjuna আৰু Ashwagosha ঠিক আছে The Charaka authored Charaka Samhita a text on medical science so Charaka medical science or ওপৰত এখন কিতাপ লিখিছিলে Charaka Samhita ঠিক আছে Kanishk as a builder monuments constructed under the patronage of Kanishk are found at Peshawar Mathura and Taxila as well as in Kanishkpur Mathura and Gandhara regions became important centers of art ঠিক আছে an important art object of this period in Mathura is the statue of Kanishk with headless an excellent specimen of portrait sculpture of Kushan period so headless statue খুব important খুব famous statue হয় Kanishkar এটা মূৰ্তি পোৱা গৈছে মথুৰাত ঠিক আছে successor of Kanishkar successor কোন আছিলে Vasishka succeeded Kanishka who found Juksapura identified with a modern Zukhar near Srinagar Vasishkar pisot Huvishka asile Huvishka succeeded Vasishka ঠিক আছে Vasudeva was the last important ruler of the Kushan dynasty so দুটা প্ৰকাৰৰ আৰ্টৰ কথা কোৱা যায় এটো আমাৰ গান্ধাৰা আৰ্ট মই এক্সাম্পল দি দিছো এয়া বুদ্ধৰ মূৰ্তি হয় দিছ ইজ গান্ধাৰা আৰ্ট অফ আৰ্কিটেকচাৰ ঠিক আছে এইটো গান্ধাৰা আৰ্ট হয় আৰু এইটো মথুৰা আৰ্ট হয় চ' সুধিব পাৰে গান্ধাৰা স্কুল অফ আৰ্ট কোনে কাৰ সময়ত হৈছিলে কনিষ্কৰ সময়ত হৈছিলে ঠিক আছে চ' আফটাৰ বাসুদেৱ দ্য কুষাণ ষ্টাৰ্টেড ডিছইণ্টিগ্ৰেটিং বাসুদেৱ লাষ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ৰুলাৰ আছিলে কুষাণসকলৰ তাৰপিছত কুষাণ ডাইনেষ্টি ডিছইণ্টিগ্ৰেট হৈ গ'ল which was hastened by the Persian invasions and the rise of independent republics ঠিক আছে খুব ইণ্ডিপেণ্ডেণ্ট ৰিপাব্লিকছ গঠিত হ'ল সেইটো সময়ত ফাইনেলি গুপ্তা পিৰিয়ড অহালৈকে খুব সৰু সৰু ইণ্ডিপেণ্ডেণ্ট ৰাজ্য গঠিত হ'ল ঠিক আছে নেক্সট ক্লাছত আমি গুপ্তা পিৰিয়ডৰ পৰাই পঢ়িম